Hi, this is Mo Zubi from moneycrave.com. Just a quick video just to tell you everything what I've been doing and how I've progressed. I know I've not made a video in a few days, and I just wanted to let you know how things were going on. So if you want to check out moneycrave.com, have a look at this website. It lets you have business ideas. I upload almost every day. I try and find good articles which would be beneficial for yourself, and it's free to read all these articles. You don't need to sign up or anything. It's very easy to navigate through the website. But yeah, have a look at the website, give me some comments to see how I could actually change the website or make it better. I'm all for criticism. But yeah, the last video that I uploaded was about Yoonla. Um, and this is the website Yoonla. I had made $52 roughly, I think it was, on my last website. If I show you now, so this is my page right now, and what I'll do is, as you can see, is Mohammed Iqbal. My name is Mohammed Zubair Iqbal, so that's why I go by the name Mo, or I go by the name Zubi. But if I refresh this for you, just to show you that as my page, you will see as it uploads that it changes. So as you can see, I was starting off quite slow, not getting a lot of leads. But now I found out in one day I've been able to make yesterday I made $178. The day before that I made $42. So it is a work in progress. I'm still trying to fix the tweaks that you get in them. But as you can see, I'm definitely making money. And if you want to find out, it's all good joining a program. Um, if you don't have confidence in the program, there's no point in joining the program. I have full confidence with Yoonla. You can check online yourself. Don't take my word for it. Do exactly what I did, which is I went on to Google. I searched some reviews for Yoonla. I checked on YouTube for Yoonla reviews, and every single person that I came across that did the review said that they were a legitimate company. And that is very rare. Usually, you always find some yeses and some nos for a company. For Yoonla, I couldn't find any nos because they all know that they pay at the end of the month into your PayPal account. But yeah, so that's Yoonla. So if you want to join Yoonla, by all means, I'll leave the description and I'll leave the link in the description. Sign up and join my team. Not only will you join a reputable company, but you'll join my team, and I'll show you how I managed to basically go from $6 to 42 to 178. So far I've made 46, and as you can see it's only 1:30 in the afternoon on the 3rd of April. So I've still got a lot of time today to see where this will stop. But yeah, if you want to find out how I do it, how I'm doing it, join up with my group. Uh, Activate your account, join the Facebook group that I've created, and then there we will discuss on how I'm making this. As you can tell, going from $52 to $442 is it's taking me a bit of time, but I think I know how I managed to do it. And I'm just tweaking the process to make sure that I can take out the little kinks and try and make as much money as I can. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. Subscribe so I can make some more videos. If you think these are helpful, if you don't think these are helpful, let me know. I'd love to continue doing this and show you exactly what I do, because I'm more of a person who wants to give you the motivation to start your own. I don't want to just keep making money myself. My ideal goal is to actually help other people and create a group who then obviously would be happy with myself and obviously make money as well. So yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.